So Michael Spencer asks, my tube never even gets warm to the touch and I'm not using a chiller. Is this normal? Yes. Very simply, yes, that's very normal. So a chiller keeps your tube at a regulated and constant temperature. Now, while it's cool to touch, that's normal because where the heat's actually building up in the tube is actually well beyond where you can touch on the tube.
Yeah.
So that area that's kind of a buffer in between, it's actually what it's there for, to diffuse the heat. So you wouldn't really feel hot to touch unless you had no water running through it. Then it would heat up pretty quickly.
And it'd be too late.
Yeah, and it would actually, it would be too late. But luckily for you, your laser won't fire unless your water is flowing correctly through your laser.
Yeah, and definitely don't try to touch it if it's running. Static electricity, that kind of thing, just try to avoid it.
Absolutely. So touching your laser system, like Walker mentioned, if you're walking around in socks or barefoot and you have a big static charge on your finger and then touch the tube, I mean, you're only really asking for trouble at that point.
Yeah, I mean, so many things could happen, and you don't want to stand behind those pro tubes if that back hatch is open, period.
Right, and why is that, Walker?
Well, the beam combiner actually reflects a little bit of that actual power, and it could get you.
Right, so that's the reason why we have locks on all the back panels of the Pro machines. So that if you need to get in there, you do it purposely, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
So some of you ask why we have so many locks all over the machine. It's always for a reason. It's not just so, it's an inexpensive way to do a handle or a latch, or I think I saw a comment like that. It's actually more expensive to put a lock on it, trust me. And your keys are easily replaceable. So if anyone loses a key, or if you're missing a key for your Pro machine, please just call your sales rep. We can help you out replacing that tube.